never gonna stop. 'Cause we both know that one day it's not gonna cry again.